Welcome to 1086 Post, number 407. This is a top floor, lower Nob Hill studio. It includes all the utilities, that's water, garbage, PG&E, which is gas and electric, hot water, and steam heat. You pay your own internet or cable if you want it. The apartment has been redone extensively with new floors and an all-new kitchen. Again, it's on the top floor, and it's a rent control apartment. High ceilings, original moldings and woodwork, and a new wood floor throughout. The unit looks down onto Polk Street and the AMC movie theater there. The brand new hospital being constructed there, which is transforming the neighborhood, a lot of condos. The bars on Polk Street here are very busy. It's a nice big main room. And off the room is the all-new kitchen, which has a black tiled floor, granite counter, some new cabinets, another window looking out onto Polk, a new gas range with grill and hood, and a new full-size refrigerator. There's a dressing room, walk-in closet, whatever you want to call it here. It's quite big. You can put a desk or shelves or whatever you want in this little room. And it opens up from the main room. You have another door that opens up to the bath. The hallway entry also has a door to the bath, which is the original clawfoot tub, subway tiled floor. That's your front door, and then a walk-in closet, and you get one of these little original phone shelves. If you're interested in leasing 1086 Post number 407, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you.